This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change Nissan Altima windshield wipers. Start by gathering your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your Nissan Altima is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off for safety. Then, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into its service position. This simple preparation makes the entire process much easier and safer for you. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Look closely at the connector where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight down and off the wiper arm. It should detach with a gentle pull. Remember to hold onto the wiper arm securely so it doesn't accidentally snap back and potentially crack your windshield. Installing the new blades is just as straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up into the J-hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Do this gently to avoid any damage. To finish up, turn on your Nissan Altima and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid. Observe them closely to ensure they move smoothly and clear the glass effectively without leaving any streaks or missed spots. For best visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice any performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.